Right, today I'm going to be showing you how to key the like. First of all, make sure if you've got two cylinders, make sure you're keyed alike in the half cylinder to the Euro cylinder. Now first of all, what you've got to do is take the keys from the half cylinder, take one of them off, and then you have to cut it in half. Then once you've done that, you take the circlip off with the circlip removers, like so, and then that will come out the cylinder. Once you've done that, take your half key, put it into your half cylinder, put it all the way in, and turn halfway. Once you've done that, insert this, which will hold the bottom clips down, and then you're able to remove the barrel. Once you remove the barrel, just put the cylinder to one side. Pour your old pins out, and then just remove that, and you don't need your other keys now. You can chuck them away. Now what we do is we go through all the pins to make sure that they all fit in there to this key. So what you do is you put the big cylinder key in here, like so you know what cuts to get. What I'm going to show you now is all you have to do is go through the pins and insert the pins until they're flush with the top, which I'll show you in a second once I've done. So literally just go through the pins. If it's pointing out the top like that, then it's wrong. Definitely wrong. Just keep going through the pins until you find the correct ones. Like so. So if you look on top here, you'll see that all the pins are flush. Once you've done that, take your key out, just put it to one side next to the Euro. Then once you've done that, on the table you'll see that two pins have fallen out, like two little silver pins. Always make sure that they both go back in. So you've got one in there already, and I put another one in there, just like that. Next thing you do, pick up your half cylinder again, insert the barrel into the cylinder, push it in until it clips, like so. Remove that, put it back into your box, and then turn the barrel halfway round, like that. Once you've done that, then you put your circlip back on, like so, and then use your grips to make sure that it's round and tight. Like so. And then once you've done that, put your key in from the big cylinder and it should work.